Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the productivity tricks on the Google Pixel 9. Okay, so let's begin. So first things I'm gonna show you is the split screen mode. So to show you, I will also enable it can be Google actually. Oh, but first I need to tap through all of those features. Okay, so now to open up the split screen mode, which is good for, multitasking, we have both apps open at the same time. All we need to do is to open up recent apps by performing this move when you have the gesture bar, just like me. And now all you need to do is to simply tap on the app icon, and in here we can enable the split screen mode. Okay, and now we need to select the second one to open up the split screen mode actually. So let it be the Chrome. And now as you can see on the bottom, we have the Google, our browser, and above we have our notes. We can create a new one. It can be the text. So we can still type anything that we want. Now we need to disable the camera, and we can also surf the internet at the same time. So it's good for multitasking. And also, for example, if you are counting something, let's say you did the groceries with your friend and he needs to give you money back, and you need to count it first. So you simply open up the calculator. I'm gonna show you what I mean. So I need to find the calculator first. Okay, now let's open up the recent apps. For now, let's get rid of that. And now I will think I need to open up the notes again. Okay, so just like in the first case, let's hold the app icon, click on split screen, now click on calculator, create a new note, and on the bottom I can count, and on the above I can write anything I want. So it's also good for multitasking when you want to keep taking notes and count at the same time. Okay, so we can get rid of that. Okay, now we can go into the settings. Now we need to scroll down, and I think it was under the accessibility. We also have something called the screen reader and the TalkBack. In here we have the instruction. TalkBack provides spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. TalkBack can be helpful for people who have difficulty seeing the screen. So all you need to do is to enable it right in here. You can also create a shortcut by enabling. You need to enable it right in here. And now if you click on TalkBack, in here you can allow TalkBack to have full control of your device. You can click on allow or deny. So for now, let's click on the allow. You can hear how this option works. So basically when you click on, for example, on this area of the screen, the TalkBack is reading it out loud. Okay, but for now, let's turn it off. Okay, in here now, I was looking for the live transcribe. You can open it right in here or create a shortcut, click on got it, and it's right in here on the screen. You can also place it wherever you want. Okay, so when I click on open, in here select select your language. When it comes to the option, you can also adjust the size of the captions, and you can enable the transcription history. And if you go to the more settings, you can change the theme, the text size, show icon in the up list, and many others. You can also select the secondary language. For now, I put it on the Czechia, on the Czech Republic. You can also add the custom words and any other phrases. And here you can also delete the history. It's all up to you, and I leave it to you to know those features on your own. Okay, so basically for now, as you can see, what I'm saying, the phone detects what I'm saying and transcribe it into the letters. So this is how this option works. So for example, if you need to write something and you don't want to waste time typing it on the keyboard, you can simply use this app, use this feature, and copy the text simply. So you simply click on copy, you can click on paste, and the same time, instead of typing on the keyboard, you can use your voice and this feature. Okay, now let's get back into the settings. In here we have the live caption. We can also use it. And you can also see the quick instruction how this works. And below we have the settings such as languages and translation, the caption preferences, the expressive captions, and many others. Okay, we also have something called text-to-speech output. In here we need to select the language. For now it's the system one. If you click on play, oh sorry, that's not the option, sorry. That's my bad. Okay, and I wonder if there's something that I want to show you more. Okay, also keep in mind to use those features such as apps such as notes to when you have something in mind, quickly type it in the notes and save it. It also helps. And I think that the last option I'm gonna show you is the Gemini. Okay, so it's basically the AI. You can see the info right in here. So the Gemini is your new AI assistant from Google, and you can read more when you click on those links. So basically you can ask the AI to do any action that you want. So for example, you don't want to waste time on finding the recipe or something. So let's say you're hungry, you don't know what to cook. No, you know what to cook, what would you like to eat, but you don't know the recipe and how to make it on your own. So instead of typing that in the internet, you can use the AI. So we can use our keyboard, or we can also use the voice command. So let's say I want to eat the pizza or spaghetti and I want a recipe for it. So we can ask the AI, what's the pizza recipe? So now I'm gonna show you how this works. Give me a recipe for pizza, please. Okay, and as you can see, we have our recipe within a few seconds. We have ingredients for the dough, for the sauce, for the toppings, the equipment, the instruction, and step-by-step instruction how to do it. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.